Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we are going to discuss about the options available in drafting. These are the following options we are going to discuss in this video: alternative view positions and applying geometrical dimension and tolerance with the symbols. First we have to open a new drafting and select a sheet format size. Then browse our component which I need to projection view here. The alternative view position option is mainly applicable for assembly only. I just open a command follower assembly in a drafting, and then I have just make a projection of view of command follower. Let's go for alternative view position discussion. The alternative view position just show the motion of the component or traceability of the component. Select the alternative view position option, and then correspondingly you have to select any one of the view where you want to traceable of the assembled component or movement of the component. I just select a front view. Automatically it will show the assemble of 3D view. I just rotate the cam for the particular angle and then click OK. Now the where we want select the alternative view position, it show the traceability in the particular view. I hope you understand about the alternative view position option. Next we are going for giving dimensions with the tolerance in the drafting. Go for the annotations. The applying dimensions for in a drafting is similar to in sketch. You have to just select entities to apply the dimensions, but in a drafting you cannot able to change the dimension. The dimension which you create in a part modeling, it will be travel in drafting constantly, but you can just change the font size of casting, font size of dimensions here. Then you have go for the tolerance with the dimensions. Go to the value and select a tolerance and precision option here. You have to select a type of tolerance you want to apply here. There are a lot of type of tolerance: basic, bilateral, limit, symmetric, and fits and clearance, etc. I just apply the bilateral tolerance. Here you have to specify the tolerance in plus and minus. I have just specified as 0.05 mm. Then I specify 0.02 mm. Just click OK. Now the tolerance with dimension is applied here. This is the main thing while you drafting in the industries. It is also very important thing in a production drawings, applying the dimensions with tolerance. Next we are going to use a GD&T symbols, surface finish symbols and welding symbols in the drawing. Go to the software and go for the annotations. Inside the annotations we have a lot of symbol option. Just select a geometric tolerance option. After selecting a geometric tolerance option, we have a symbol icon. You have to select any one of the symbol. You can select a straight, a flatness, circularity, cylindricity, profile or surface profile, parallel, perpendicular, angularity, runout, circular runout, position, concentricity or symmetric as per your requirement. You have to select any one of the symbol from them and apply the tolerance. You can also apply the primary tolerance or secondary tolerance as per your requirement. Then click OK. Now the geometrical symbols inside the box is created here. You can drag and place it at required positions. You can also change the font size for apply the good visualization. Here we can also change the font size. I hope you understand about geometrical tolerance symbols. Next, we move for the surface finish symbols. We have a lot of standard symbols belongs to surface finish during the machining process, and JE is standard. You can apply this symbol as per your requirement during the manufacturing. Next, we have a weld symbols. Here you have to select a weld symbol based upon type of the weld is carried out at a particular region of the component. You can select a type of symbols for welding as per your requirement. The last one is datums. Datums is nothing but it is a planes, axis or points is called a datum. Here we have a datum option which is must necessary for a GD&D symbols. Here we have a two particular perpendicular faces. I just select a face A and just select a face B. You just select a datum future option and select the edges. It will be automatically generated A, B, C like that. You can make the names as per your requirement. Then go for the geometrical tolerance and select a perpendicular symbol because the selected faces A and B are perpendicular. Then you have to apply the tolerance limit for 90 degree right angle. I just give you 1 radian of degrees which is allowable as a tolerance. Then I specify the datum reference such as A and B. Now the GD&D symbols with the datums is created here. It defines that there is a 1 degree of tolerance for perpendicular faces A and B. This is the meaning of GD&D symbols with the datum features.